Exercise 2.2, question number 4. The circumference of a circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. So here the circumference of the park is given. Using that we have to find the area. First you think of it. To find the area, what are the values we need? Formula to find area of a circle is pi r square. So to find out r, first we have to find out r, right? After finding r only we can find out area. But have they given a radius here? R value, is it given? No. Instead they have given the value of the circumference. There is 2 pi r values given. So using that, first thing we have to find out r, then we'll find out area. We'll write here. First what is given we'll write. Circumference, it is given as 352 meter and we have to find out area. So we know that circumference, that is 2 pi r equal to, circumference equal to 2 pi r and it is given as 352. Now using this we have to find the value of r, okay? That is 2 into pi value, it is 22 by 7 into r equal to 352. Now we should find the value of r. We'll keep this r alone left side and we'll bring the remaining things to the right side. Already in right side I have 352. That we'll write 352. Now here we have 2. It is in multiplication. When you bring it to another side, it will become division. So 352 divided by 2 and 22 by 7. When you bring it to another side, if it is in fraction, whenever it is in fraction and you are bringing to, if you are bringing to another side, we have to write it its reciprocal. We have to multiply by its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. So 7 by 22. Okay. So if you cancel it, then we'll get the answer. Now both are divisible by 2. We can cancel it one time. And here in 3 one time, remaining 1. It is 15, 7 times, remaining 1, it is 6 times. Now these two are divisible by 2 table. So here we'll get 11 and here in 17, 8 times of 2, remaining 1, 16. So again 8 times, 8, 8, 11, both are divisible by 11 table, 1 time and 8 times, 8 sevens are 56. Therefore the value of r is equal to 56. It is given in meter, so we'll write 56 meter. Now we have found out radius. Using this we are going to find the value of area. Area equal to pi r square, that is pi value 22 by 7 into r value 56 into 56. It is easily we can divide it. 8 sevens are 56. Now we can multiply this 22 and 8. What is 22, 8? 8 2s are 16. Again 16 plus 1, it is 17. Now it should be 22 into 8, it is 176. Again we have to multiply it by 56. So we'll multiply by 56. 6 6 are 36, remaining 3. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45, remaining 4. 1 into 6, 6. 6 plus 4, it is 10. 5 6 are 30, remaining 3, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3, it is 38, remaining 3, 1 into 5, 5, 5 plus 3, it is 8. We'll add, we'll get 9856. Therefore, area equal to 9856 meter square. Whenever you are writing area, you have to write meter square, okay? Otherwise, they'll reduce the mark. So area equal to 9856 meter square.